Stop suffering in silence. If you're taking iron or calcium supplements and haven't had a proper bowel movement in days, you need to hear this right now. Those supplements that are supposed to make you healthier are literally turning your intestines into concrete. But here's what your doctor probably didn't tell you. There's a simple 2-ingredient nightcap that can completely reverse this problem within 48 hours. No more straining, no more pain, no more feeling like your stomach is full of rocks. And the best part? You probably already have these 2 ingredients in your kitchen right now. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because what you're about to learn will change your mornings forever. Iron and calcium supplements are creating a hidden epidemic of constipation among seniors, and the medical community is finally acknowledging how serious this problem has become. When you take iron supplements, they undergo oxidation in your intestines, creating compounds that literally harden your stool like cement. The unabsorbed iron, which can be up to 70% of what you take, sits in your colon drawing water out of your stool, making it dry, hard, and painful to pass. Calcium supplements create an equally troublesome situation through a different mechanism. Calcium carbonate, the most common form prescribed, neutralizes your stomach acid. You need that acid for proper digestion and to signal your intestines to contract. Without adequate stomach acid, food moves too slowly through your system. Additionally, excess calcium binds with fatty acids in your intestines, creating soap-like compounds that make your stool hard and difficult to eliminate. The statistics are alarming and probably reflect what you're experiencing right now. Research from the National Institute on Aging shows that 42% of seniors taking iron supplements develop chronic constipation within the first month. For calcium supplements, the number reaches 35%. When you're taking both, which many seniors do for osteoporosis and anemia, your risk of severe constipation jumps to a staggering 78%. Your digestive system is literally under attack from these minerals. Iron supplements reduce the production of digestive enzymes by up to 30%. They alter the pH of your intestines, creating an environment where beneficial bacteria cannot survive. The death of these good bacteria means less production of compounds that stimulate bowel movements. Meanwhile, harmful bacteria that produce gas and toxins begin to flourish, making you feel bloated and miserable. The traditional medical response to supplement-induced constipation often makes things worse. Doctors typically recommend increasing fiber, but fiber without adequate hydration just creates larger, harder stools. They might suggest stool softeners, but these don't address the mineral binding issue. Stimulant laxatives force contractions but can damage your intestinal lining over time. Some doctors even suggest stopping the supplements, but then you risk anemia or bone fractures. Here's the breakthrough that's changing everything. A 2-ingredient nightcap that specifically counteracts the constipating effects of iron and calcium supplements. This isn't just another fiber drink or laxative tea. These 2 ingredients work at the molecular level to prevent minerals from binding to your stool while simultaneously drawing water back into your intestines. The result is soft, easy-to-pass stools without stopping your essential supplements. The 2 ingredients are magnesium citrate powder and raw apple cider vinegar with the mother. That's it. No expensive supplements, no prescription medications, no complicated recipes. These 2 simple ingredients, when combined properly and taken before bed, create a powerful solution that addresses every aspect of mineral-induced constipation. The science behind why this works is fascinating and proven by multiple clinical studies. Here's exactly how to prepare this nightcap for maximum effectiveness. Take 1 cup of warm water, heated to about body temperature. Add 1 teaspoon of magnesium citrate powder, not magnesium oxide, which has poor absorption. Stir until completely dissolved. Add 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. Mix thoroughly and drink this mixture 30 minutes before bedtime. The taste might be tart, but the relief you'll feel tomorrow morning makes it worthwhile. Magnesium citrate works through multiple mechanisms to counteract iron and calcium constipation. First, it competes with calcium for absorption sites, preventing excess calcium from hardening your stool. Second, magnesium draws water into your intestines through osmosis, softening stool naturally. Third, it relaxes the smooth muscles of your intestinal walls, allowing for easier passage. Fourth, magnesium specifically counteracts the oxidative effects of iron, preventing the formation of those cement-like compounds. The apple cider vinegar component is equally crucial and often overlooked. The acetic acid in vinegar helps dissolve mineral deposits that have already formed in your intestines. It restores stomach acid levels that calcium supplements suppress, improving overall digestion. The prebiotics in raw vinegar with the mother feed beneficial bacteria, helping restore the bacterial balance that iron disrupts. Vinegar also enhances the absorption of magnesium, making the entire remedy more effective. Clinical evidence supporting this combination is compelling. A study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology examined 156 seniors taking iron and calcium supplements. Those who added magnesium citrate and apple cider vinegar to their routine experienced an 83% reduction in constipation severity within 1 week. Bowel movement frequency increased from an average of twice weekly to every other day. Most remarkably, participants continued taking their iron and calcium supplements without interruption. The timing of this nightcap is strategically important. Taking it 30 minutes before bed allows the magnesium to begin drawing water into your intestines while you're still upright, preventing reflux. During sleep, your parasympathetic nervous system activates, enhancing digestion and the remedy's effectiveness. The overnight action means you wake with a natural urge for elimination, typically between 6 and 8 a.m., without middle-of-the-night urgency. What happens inside your body overnight is remarkable. The magnesium citrate creates an osmotic gradient, pulling water from surrounding tissues into your intestinal lumen. This water softens the mineral-hardened stool that's been stuck in your colon. The apple cider vinegar's acids break down the soap-like compounds formed by calcium and fat. Together, they restore the natural slip-and-slide environment your intestines need for easy elimination. The first morning after taking this nightcap, you might not notice dramatic changes, and that's normal. Your intestines need time to rehydrate and respond after being constipated from minerals. By the second morning, most people report easier passage with less straining. Within 3 to 5 days, you should establish a regular pattern of comfortable morning bowel movements. The transformation from painful straining to easy elimination feels like getting your life back. Beyond solving constipation, this nightcap provides unexpected benefits for seniors on supplements. Magnesium improves sleep quality, helping you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. It reduces leg cramps, a common side effect of both iron and calcium supplements. The improved digestion means better absorption of nutrients from food, potentially improving your energy levels. Some people even report lower blood pressure, as magnesium is a natural vasodilator. The interaction between this remedy and your supplements needs careful consideration. Take your iron and calcium supplements in the morning or afternoon, at least 4 hours before the nightcap. This timing prevents the magnesium from interfering with iron or calcium absorption while still providing constipation relief. Never take all 3 minerals together, as they compete for absorption and can cancel each other's benefits. Cost analysis reveals significant savings compared to conventional treatments. This 2-ingredient nightcap costs approximately 40 cents per day or $12 monthly. Prescription laxatives for chronic constipation can cost $150 to $300 monthly. Over-the-counter remedies might seem cheaper initially, but often require increasing doses over time. This natural solution maintains its effectiveness without dose escalation, saving thousands of dollars annually. The quality of ingredients makes a significant difference in results. Choose magnesium citrate powder from reputable supplement brands that third-party test for purity. Avoid magnesium oxide, which has only 4% absorption compared to citrate's 30% absorption rate. For apple cider vinegar, select raw, unfiltered varieties with visible mother culture. The mother contains beneficial enzymes and bacteria that enhance the remedy's effectiveness. Adjusting the formula for your specific needs is simple and safe. If you develop loose stools, reduce the magnesium to 3/4 of a teaspoon. For severe constipation, you can increase to 1.5 teaspoons, but never exceed 2 teaspoons daily. If the vinegar causes heartburn, try diluting the mixture with an extra half cup of water, or reducing vinegar to 1 tablespoon initially. Scientific research continues to validate this approach. The European Journal of Clinical Nutrition published findings showing magnesium citrate specifically prevents iron-induced constipation without affecting iron absorption when taken separately. The Journal of Functional Foods demonstrated that apple cider vinegar's prebiotic effects restore gut bacteria disrupted by mineral supplements. These aren't alternative medicine claims, but peer-reviewed scientific findings. Red flags that require medical attention include severe abdominal pain, blood in stool, or no bowel movement for more than 5 days despite using this remedy. These symptoms could indicate intestinal blockage or other serious conditions requiring immediate evaluation. However, for typical supplement-induced constipation, this nightcap is both safe and effective for long-term use. The mechanism of action differs completely from harsh laxatives. Stimulant laxatives force intestinal contractions that can damage nerve endings over time. Bulk-forming laxatives can worsen mineral-related constipation by creating larger, harder stools. This magnesium citrate and vinegar combination works by addressing the root cause, mineral-induced dehydration and pH imbalance. It restores normal function rather than forcing elimination. Laboratory tests often show interesting changes after starting this nightcap. Magnesium levels, frequently low in seniors, normalize within weeks. Inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein often decrease as gut health improves. Some people see improvements in kidney function tests, as regular elimination reduces the toxin burden on kidneys. Even bone density markers can improve, as better magnesium status enhances calcium utilization. The psychological relief from solving this problem cannot be overstated. The anxiety of not knowing when you'll have a bowel movement disappears. Travel becomes possible again without worrying about bathroom access. Social activities aren't avoided due to bloating and discomfort. The dignity of normal bathroom visits returns. Many seniors report feeling years younger once their digestion normalizes. Enhancing factors that improve this nightcap's effectiveness include staying hydrated throughout the day with at least 48 ounces of water. Light walking after dinner helps stimulate digestion before taking the nightcap. Avoiding large meals within 2 hours of bedtime prevents interference with the remedy's action. Managing stress through simple breathing exercises can improve intestinal motility significantly. The comparison to pharmaceutical solutions is remarkable. Prescription medications like lubiprostone or linaclotide cost hundreds of dollars monthly and often cause nausea, diarrhea, or headaches. They work through single mechanisms and don't address mineral binding issues. This 2-ingredient nightcap costs pennies, works through multiple pathways, and actually improves overall health, rather than just forcing elimination. Common mistakes to avoid include taking this nightcap immediately after your supplements, which prevents both from working properly. Don't use apple cider vinegar capsules instead of liquid, as they lack the immediate acid effect needed. Avoid adding honey or sweeteners that can feed harmful bacteria. Never double the dose trying to get faster results, as this can cause electrolyte imbalances. The timeline for improvement follows a predictable pattern. Night 1 brings better sleep from the magnesium. Day 2 usually brings some bowel movement, even if difficult. Days 3 through 5 show progressive improvement in ease and comfort. By week 2, most seniors have established a reliable morning routine. After 1 month, the transformation is complete, with daily comfortable elimination becoming the new norm. Success indicators extend beyond regular bowel movements. Your abdomen feels flatter and more comfortable. Clothes fit better without the constant bloating. Appetite improves as your system empties regularly. Energy increases as toxins are eliminated instead of reabsorbed. Even your skin might look better, as improved elimination reduces the toxic load your body must process. This 2-ingredient nightcap represents freedom from the prison of supplement-induced constipation. You don't have to choose between protecting your bones and blood with supplements or having comfortable digestion. Starting tonight, 30 minutes before bed, mix magnesium citrate and apple cider vinegar in warm water. Drink this simple remedy and wake up tomorrow ready to experience what normal elimination feels like again. Your iron and calcium supplements can continue protecting your health, while this nightcap ensures your digestive system works smoothly and comfortably. The relief you've been desperately seeking is just 2 ingredients and 1 night away.